Hello friends, today we will play a war game called Bandit. So let's see what is Bandit. It is run by an organization over the wire. So we go to the site over the wire and we can see there are so many levels and the games. So we are interested in Bandit. So we will play the Bandit. So let's see what is Bandit. The Bandit war game is aimed to absolute beginners. It will teach the basic needed to play other war games. It's like when you go for playing the CTF and all, so you need some basic level. It is just like to increase your command level, you hand-on practice on Kali and how you will do. So we can see there are so many levels. It has 34 levels, okay. So it starts from the level 0. You start from the level 0 and try to finish and beat it. So it is like that when you start from the level 0, you will get a flag, and that flag is needed when you log in for the level first. So first of all go to level 0. The goal of this level is to log in into SSH shell. We all know about the SSH shell. So the whole this game will be played in the SSH shell. So there you need to log in by connecting to Bandit Labs over the wire organization on the port 220. Username will be bandit0 and password will be bandit0. So first, to log in the first, you have to follow this. Let's go with level 0 and we try to our terminal. Here we go. Here we type SSH. I have already typed, so I will show you like this. This is SSH bandit. Here we go 0 because we are in 0 level. Bandit lab over the wire at port T2220. So we press enter. It will ask for you for the password. So write BANDIT bandit 0 and it will get you in the bandit shell. Okay, so this is all about how you get into this. So here you have to find the flags and you need to get in the other levels. Sorry, where it is. So here we write clear command to clear the screen, and let's use the first, like what we always do to see the file is ls command. Okay, so I find a file called readme. So how we know to open a file? We know the cat command. So write cat read me. Wow, we got our flag. So see, this kind of will be the flags, or you can say the password to get into the next level. So you clear this the first level. So to get in the second level, you will press exit. Okay, you are in the again root directory. Here you will go into the same shell. You will be writing here 1 and then you will press enter. And now here you will put that password. What you can like from here we can copy and here we can paste that password and press enter. It will take us into next level. Oh, we might have done some mistake. Yeah, here we are in the bandit 1. Okay, so again clear command. Before going to this level, let's read what is about this level. Okay, so 0 to 1. The password for the next level is stored in a file called readme. So this is what we have done. Okay, like how we went to the first level. So the password for next level is stored in the file called dash. Okay, located in the home directory. To see what is there in the home directory, we will use for ls. Okay, sorry. So we can see here there is a directory called dash. So we don't know it is the file or directory. Let's type file to see. It's giving no results. We cannot find it. So if we try our cat command over this, no, we know our cat command is only used for the text file or the file which have like the proper name. So to open this, we know how to open it. We need to open it like by putting cat space dot hyphen and then dash. It work. Okay, so we got our second password. So this is another way how to use the cat command. Okay, when you have not specific name, you can use the cat command like this. Now we get exit from here, and to log in the next level we know how to do. We will again write it as here bandit 2 and we will press enter. It will ask us for the password and we can paste that password here. Again showing some problem. Copy, paste. Yeah, again here we go. So first of all, clear command, and let's read what is the next level is about. We are informed that the password for the next level is stored inside a file name spaces in the file name located in the home directory. So to know about each level you need to read this very carefully. It is called file called spaces in the file name. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. Let's see. As the file name spaces in the file name, we won't be able to read it by cat file as I see. Let's see we can do it all. Cat, so sorry, first of all we need to see what all there. Okay, so cat, then spaces in file, oh sorry, in this file name, is it that? No such directory, no such directory. So the cat command is reading all these terminologies differently, like spaces is different, in is different, name is this is different, file name is different. So we know to use the cat command we will be writing cat, and we, because the space the cat command read is as null. Okay, so to avoid this error what we need to do, we will write sp and then we will put the tab button. Okay, like tab button is used to get what they are located in the file name. Okay, so what all the directories are there, so it will arrange it accordingly in the. So now let's see it is executable or not. Yeah, we can see we got the password for the next. Now copy it, press exit, we are out of here, and same we will do to get in the next level. We will write here 3 and we will paste the password here, enter. Okay, so we are in the bandit level 3. Again clear command. Okay, let's see what's next. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. So they are saying there might be some directory called in here and it is in the file which is hidden. Okay, so let's see what it gives. ls, yeah, we have a directory in here, so we know how to get into the directories by cd, then in here tab button. So we go like this. Yeah, we are in the in here directory. Let's see what all there. ls, but it's showing no directory, so it already said it's hidden, so we will try ls.l, and yes we have again no we will write ls minus al. So we have some files, it's called hidden. Okay, dot hidden, it's like readable, writable, bandit 423. It's already given clue why it is important, so we can write cat dot h hidden, and yes we have enter. Yeah, we got this. Just copy it and then go for again exit. To go to next level we know what to do. We will write here 4, press enter, and then paste the password here. Yes, you are in the level 4. Please put the clear command and let's read what is given. The password for the next level is stored in human readable file in here directory. So they are saying it is in the in here directory, but it is only in the file which is human readable file. Okay. Tip: your terminal is messed up. They are saying if your terminal get anytime messed up, you can put the reset command. Okay. So go in the next command. What we will do? We will go to bandit terminal, and we will put ls here to see what's all there. So there is a directory in here. We'll put cd dot in here. Okay, let's see ls what's all there in. Okay, so we can see there are so many files. Okay, so let's try by opening one. What goes cat file 00 invalid option file can't help. No, it's saying that there are so many. As it is, we can see it's written it's only in human readable file. So means out of all these files there will be one file which is human readable. So how to find that? We have simple thing is that we'll put cat here we will write file and star, which means that all the directories will be checked or looked in. Oh sorry, we need to change the directory first. Wait a second. No, you need to do cd in here. Okay, then oh sorry, we are doing mistake. We need to put space here. So see, here's a list of all the files. Okay, so we can see the only file number 7 is ASCII text. So we know ASCII text is what and how we can read it. So by putting simple cat command file 07 and cat. Oh sorry, we need to put the hyphen. We didn't put the right name. File 07. Okay, you can just simply copy its name and paste it. Will be easy for. Yes, it is executable like this. So copy the password and then write exit here. And we know to go to the next level what we need to do. We need to put 5 here. Okay, then in the password, so we can put it paste here, and we will press enter. So we are in the level 5. So let's read what they ask or demand in the level 5. The password for the next level is stored in the file somewhere under in here directory. So again we are given in here directory, and it has following properties. It's human readable. Okay, it must be in ASCII text. Then its size is 1033 bytes in size, and it's not executable. Okay, so let's see what we can do there. So first of all we will put the ls, then we will put the cd in here, and here we go. Here it is ls. Okay, so there are so many files, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, but where it is, let's find it out. So we know there is a one command called find. Okay, it's already written here that all the command that you need to have knowledge. So we have used ls, cd, cat, file, and now we will be using the command find. Okay, let's see how we can use the command find here. We will put find, then dot, then size, this 1033c. Okay, now this will search the which is our file. Okay, So wow, they are saying it's maybe here 07 file 2. Okay, so this is our file. So just copy it and put the cat command and then paste it and enter, and we got our here. So it's copy, and we need to know what we need to do. Press the exit and we will be in the next level. Okay, so these are the 5 levels we have solved today. So we know about all levels, but we used all the commands. We learned about the ls, we learned about the cd command, we learned about how to use the cat command, first in normal, then when it is file which is executable, then what you need to do, and then the find command, how to find the specific file. So that's all for this. For more levels, stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.